Hi guys, good morning. Today is Friday. At ako po ay magluluto ng breakfast ni Ngungo kasi siya po ay papasok. Mamaya na ako kakain guys kasi busog pa naman ako. So this one is just it's just tortilla wraps with ham saka yung spicy na cheese na nabili ko sa ano guys, dun sa Costco. And later on, mag-breakfast ako po. I think I'm gonna have some cereals. Saka yung yogurt. And I've got some fruits naman dyan. By the way, hindi ako nakatulog kagabi guys. My God. Nag-aalala ako sa papa ko. Ang kulit kasi. Alam mo yung kung kailan tumanda saka tigas ng ulo. Mataas yung blood pressure niya. Tapos, supposed to be, may maintenance din siya guys sa ano niya, high blood medication. Kaso hindi iniinom guys. So ngayon, ayun. Masama yung pakiramdam niya. Kaya ayun, napagalitan ko kagabi. Sabi ko sa kanya pag hindi siya nagpa-check up today, hindi namin ibibigay yung para sa puhunan niya sa babuyan niya. Kasi nga, diba 5 kami magkakapatid, naghati-hatian kami doon. Mag 60 years old na siya guys. So regalo namin yun sa kanya. Sabi ko pa sa kanya, kung hindi mo to inumin yung mga gamot mo, it's either you will ended up having a heart failure or di kaya yung stroke guys. Tapos at taas din ang kanyang cholesterol. Ang kulit talaga as in. Hindi ko alam kung paano pa siya pasunurin guys. Ang hirap pag tumatanda na sa Pilipinas. It's either makulit or what. Ito na yung ating cheese, Mexicana. And then, yung ham natin, guys. Yung dito, yung chicken na binili namin sa Costco, yung roast chicken, guys. I think may gagawin ako dyan. So, magawa ako ng sopa siguro mamaya. Let's see. Ayan na yung ating tortilla wraps, guys. And then, aside sa sopas, guys, since malaki naman yung ating chicken, baka maggawa din ako ng palaman sa sandwich. Ang ganda ng ating ham, guys. I don't know kung nakikita nyo ako dyan, pero that's our ham. Hindi ko siya mabuksan. I'm gonna put 2 ham. Naan ko lang kasi baka masunog. That's the cheese. Kung nakikita nyo yan. Smells really good. Gagawin natin is pagati-hatiin natin siya guys. Masarap to kasi mainit. Hindi lang naman masarap yung tortilla wraps guys sa cheese pag hindi siya mainit. So, ayan na po yung ating tortilla wraps guys. Warm pa siya. So, ready na yun para sa baon ni Michael.
Bye-bye!
By the way guys, meron pala akong exam mamaya. Pero bago yan, I need to do something muna. Meron kasi akong pinatod dito guys na charang paanang baboy. So, ipiprito ko to or gagawin kong hamonada guys. Pero gusto ko muna siyang palambutin ng sobrang lambot. Kasi yung last time na nagprito kami ni Calix nung karne ng baboy, hindi po siya masyadong malambot guys. So, parang kulang siya ng oras. So, dito ang gagawin natin, parang slow cook lang natin siya guys. Para ma-perfect natin yung ating crispy pa. So guys, yan yung aking breakfast. So this one is the Greek yogurt po. Nilalagyan ko lang siya nito. Bibili po ako ng another na granola guys kasi paubos na po to. Then lalagyan ko siya ng blackberry. Mga 3 lang po. No, gawin natin 4 kasi masarap yung blackberry sa Sainsbury. And then I have the raspberry and the blueberry. See, it's all berries. It's so healthy, guys. Pinaka last, guys, is honey. Yan lang po yung aking pampalasa instead of having sugar. Guys, kain tayo ng ating breakfast. At kung nakikita nyo yan, guys, nakatayo na po yung aming giant Christmas tree. Yung theme po namin is gray po yung Christmas tree. And then, meron siyang navy blue, pink, saka light pink. And then gold yung theme namin, guys. Oh my God, I'm so hungry na. I need to eat kasi may exam pa ako. Bago ako humarap sa online exam, guys, kailangan nakakain muna ako kasi ayaw kong manervyos ako ba. Tapos mag-start na manlamig yung aking katawan. Then ayun na. Wala na tayong maisagot, mablangko na tayo. Wag naman sana. My God, ayaw kong bumalik sa pag retake. Although you have one chances naman. Pero no, I don't want that. Kasi another pala isipan na naman, guys. Yung drinks ko pala, guys, siya, rose tea. Oh, 𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒆𝒍. I'm gonna have some rice later, but that's gonna be, mga 4 o'clock. Then, during the night, wala pa akong kinakain.
Madalas yata ang pagdalaw natin kay Crisostomo. Hindi magandang gawain.
Guys, andito ako sa room namin kasi kailangan ko nang mag-take ng online exam about sa aming pharmacology. It's more on calculation, guys, and you're allowed to use a calculator kasi built-in na po yung calculator sa 𝒂𝒊𝒂𝒏𝒕 po natin na website. So, maglalagin lang po ako dito. Agoy. Invalid yung password natin, guys. Just give me a minute kasi andito sa notebook ko yung mga password ko kasi sa dami ng password po na ginagamit namin, guys, hindi ko na matandaan yung bawat password sa mga website na kailangan kong pasukan. So just give me a minute. Grabe, kakalagin ko lang nito kagabi, nakalimutan ko na agad. Oh my goodness. Tama naman yung ating login details. Yung password lang talaga yung mali. So, okay. Taran. Then, exclamation point. Update natin yung password. Woo! I'm so, kabado, guys. So, that's the website, guys. And then, I have to click the modules. Then start modules. This is for the assessment. And charang, boom. That's the exam. Look at that. I just need to enter the password and then it needs to be completed in an hour, guys. Okay, let's do this. Kaya natin to! So dito, guys, this one is another a prescription na naman. So yung required dose niya is 2 grams. Now, yung available na gamot natin is in 500 grams. So, dito, we have to convert the grams into milligrams. So, ilang milligrams ba meron ang 1 gram? So, I think it is 1,000 milligrams. So, since 1,000 milligrams ang meron ang 1 gram, so pag 2 grams, it becomes 2,000 milligrams. So, nilagay ko siya dito na 2,000 milligrams. Divide mo siya sa available na dose, which is 500 milligrams times 1 tablet, and that would be 4 tablets. Is that right? So, double check natin siya. Of course, wag tayong pakampante kasi isang mali mo lang, goodbye lahat ng pinaghirapan mo. So, yeah, that's right, 4. So, 2,000 milligrams, 500 milligrams. Make sure na it's all grams and that one is tablets. And then, kung kampante ka na, move on to the next level. And then, here you go. Kasi 4 na tabletas, so we need to give the patients 4 tablets. There you go. Then, saka ka na mag-next, guys. Guys, kakatapos ko lang na mag-exam dun sa ating 𝒏𝒂𝒏𝒕. And now, chinecheck ko lang yung ating pang-crispy pata, guys. Kung malambot na ba siya. Pero, napapansin ko, konting ano palang pakulo pa, guys. Lalambot na po siya. Ayan o, kung nakikita nyo yan. Sorry. Look at that. Charang! O, diba? Ay, sarap-sarap. Mura lang yung ano guys, crispy pata dito. That one was ano lang, say 3 pounds or 4 pounds. Basta, mura lang po yan guys. Kasi dito sa UK guys, they consider it as ano na, yung parang hindi na nila kailangan. Pero sa atin kasi, di ba, mga Pilipino, kinakain natin yan. Even yung ano paan ng manok, di ba? Hi guys! Good evening! Ako po ay magluluto na ng aming dinner ni Michael. So, una, meron po akong leftover na ating roast chicken na galing po sa Costco. Ihalo ko po ito sa ating fried rice together with the vegetables. Kaya marami siyang vegetables dito guys. It's because, you know na, si Michael hindi po kumakain ng gulay. So, it's better for me to mix that with rice. At least wala siyang choice kundi kainin yung gulay. And then, meron po tayong pang crispy pata guys. Ayan, malambot na po siya. At kung nakikita nyo yan, yung buto niya, oh, makikita na. At saka halos humihiwalay na yung meat sa ano buto. In which, this is perfect for the crispy pata natin guys. So, ang gagawin natin ay i-gisa lang muna natin yung ating leftover na roast chicken.
I was kissing you with my eyes open. But you said, keep them closed and be in the moment. So I did my best to make you feel wanted. But what about what I want? What about what I want? And what I wanted was to crash with my dumb friends on the weekend instead of watching a movie. But you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, 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 okay with me. Okay, 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 I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh. But instead you were moody, and you wanted me to be what you need instead of being me. Oh, and that's how I knew it. I guess I never loved you like I love me. I guess I never loved you, and that's okay with me. Cause someday I'll love someone like I love me. Might have to wait a little, and that's okay with me. Okay, okay, okay,
Guys, luto na po yung ating charang! Crispy pata. Look at that. Oh, sarap. Then, yung ating fried rice ay ayan na. Actually, yung fried rice natin guys, hindi mo na kailangan ng ulam kasi meron na din siyang chicken meat. So, may veg na din. So, still healthy. Pero let's not eat a lot of rice guys kasi ano na dito, 6 o'clock na ng hapon and si Michael mamaya pa po yung uwi niya. So, ako po yung mauuna na kumain na naman. Kasi kung hihintayin ko pa siya guys, my God, ang uwi nun mga 10 or 11 ng gabi. And it's not very healthy to eat late at night. Especially sa akin kasi meron akong PCOS. So, sa mga may PCOS dyan, I recommend na don't eat late at night, guys. Oh my God. I'm gonna have a little bit of this rice. Actually, medyo busog pa ako, guys, kasi, diba, buong manok yung binili namin ni Michael. And, ang nangyari, habang nag-prepare ako ng mga veg, saka yung chicken. Panay papak ko din dun sa roast chicken, guys. So, ayun. Nabusog ako. Sarap. It's really nice if you add sesame oil sa fried rice nyo, guys. Really good. Dito ko lang ito ilalagay. And then later on, saka ko siya i-cover up, guys. I won't be able to put that in the fridge kasi puno po yung namin ref at the moment. May mga dinagdag ako dun ng mga fruits, 'di ba? Parang natitimpak ko natikman yung ating crispy pata, guys. Hello. Right. Tikman lang natin siya. Kunti lang. Oh my god, ang lambot ng niya. Oh. By the way, kain tayo. Grabe yung baboy natin, guys. Oh my god. Ayoko siya nakainin pero parang natakam ako. Guys, nasa room na po ako. At ako po ay mag-i-edit muna ng video natin para meron na naman tayong may upload the next day. And hinihintay ko rin po si Michael, guys, kasi nasa work po siya. Pero mamaya pa yun, mga 11 o'clock. So, I'll see you again next time. And thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube channel. Bye-bye!